Lowe's has some amazing deals on SKIL tools right now, and not all of them are cordless tools. Some of them won't require you to get into their battery platform. So we're going to use the YouTube shopping links. You'll see the boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere throughout the video. But I have a bunch of SKIL stuff to show you, and these prices have kind of been all over the place. If you remember, a week or so ago, they had a deal of the day with a bunch of the SKIL stuff. This isn't listed as a deal of the day. Everything right now is in stock, although a lot of it is limited stock as far as online. So you can also buy online, pick up in store. I noticed a lot of stores around me did have these in stock, even if it was limited stock online. So the first time that I want to share with you is this LED light that I haven't seen before, but I actually really like. It's the SKIL 12 volt 2500 lumen LED battery operated rechargeable light. You're getting the battery and the charger, normally $129 down to $69.98. Of course, you're going to get free shipping in addition to that. So you get the little battery, you get the super tall light, but then also I like that it has a foot switch. So if you're working, you got stuff in your hands, boom, you just step on the switch there to turn it on and off. I really like that, and my other tripod lights like the Milwaukee, the DeWalt, does not have a foot switch. You can see how it's telescoping or height adjustable there. You can also pivot the head, angle it anywhere that you want. So for $69 getting the full kit, I kind of like that light. Now here we have the SKIL 4-volt quarter-inch cordless screwdriver. So the battery and charger is included in this, but it's their 4-volt system, so it's not really getting into another battery platform. I guess it kind of is, but not totally. It's normally $40. It's going to be $14.98. And you can see how the head pivots there to give you better angles. That's going to be a little bit lower torque guy, but makes screwdriving a lot faster, taking apart little appliances and electronic type stuff, maybe doing electrical work. $14.98 for the whole kit on that one. Here we have the SKIL Power Core 12 volt keyless brushless cordless drill. Again, it comes as a full kit, so you're getting the charger, you're getting the battery. Normally $80, but $34.98. So really good for a brushless tool from a major name brand to be at $35 for a full kit. I really like that one. And it looks like, yeah, it's a 2 amp hour battery, which is okay for a drill. It's kind of what you would expect from a kit like this. But brushless tool, full kit, $35. Now this is a corded tool, so we don't got to worry about any batteries or chargers, anything like that. The SKIL 2.8 amp variable speed random orbit sander with the dust management. It looks like you're getting 3 pieces of sandpaper. I love that. Makita did the same thing when I bought their sander, and it was like, I think you only got 2 pieces from them. Like, that's almost more insulting than anything. Give me a 10-pack or don't give me any, will ya? So it's normally $40. We're saving 10, bringing it down to just under 30 at $29.98. For a corded sander, variable speed, you can see the little dial, here we go, a little speed control dial right there. Next up, we saw this guy last week as well. It's kind of an interesting little setup here. The 12 or 20 volt quarter-inch keyless brushless cordless drill, 1 battery and charger included, normally $100 down to $59.98. Of course, it's this little USB plug-in charger, nice and compact, I guess, 20 watt output on it, looks like, that's what it says. And then we're getting, it looks like probably the 2 amp hour battery again, yep, getting the 2 amp hour battery, and look at how this guy flips around. You're driving on one side and drilling on the other. Don't gotta have 2 separate tools, don't gotta be switching back and forth on your chuck. I wonder if you could also have 2 different drive bits on each end. I was messing with this deck, and the person who put it together was nice enough to use 4 different fasteners, 2 different size Torx and square and Phillips. I'm like, come on. So I was constantly switching bits. At least this would cut the switching in half. So full kit, $59.98 on that one. Another kit, look at this. This is actually a little bit better than just the drill deal, assuming that it stays in stock. A little bit more expensive, but per piece you're getting a better deal. SKIL 12 volt 2-tool brushless combo kit. You get 1 battery with it and the charger. Normally $119 down to $49. One thing I like about the impact driver with SKIL, that's not a good picture of it, is the ring light around the impact driver. There we go. I like that. Because a lot of them, you'll have a light down here kind of shooting up, and you can get obscured by something, your hand, or just whatever you're doing. This, there's no shadows. You get really good illumination. The little ring light guy. I really like that with my SKIL driver, although I think mine's an older version because it doesn't look exactly like that. $49 for a full kit. Now here we have the impact wrench. This is a 3/8 inch drive, 12 volt. This is going to be tool only, but it is a brushless tool. Normally $70, down to $34.98 for a 3/8 inch drive impact wrench. We'll see if it lists the torque down here. Probably not going to be busting lug nuts with it, but 125 foot-pounds fastening, 200 foot-pounds nut-busting torque. So actually that could remove lug nuts if that's accurate. As long as you got the socket and 3/8 drive to do it. So yeah, for a 3/8, that's not too bad. And it's only $35. I mean, geez. Come on. Some of these, if you're already in the 12-volt lineup, I feel like you just get them because they're super cheap. You're not going to get any cheaper than that unless they do another clearance sale. And they're kind of goofy with what they're doing. I don't even understand. Are they getting rid of the SKIL tools, or are new models coming out? I don't know what's going on because they keep doing these weird sales that last for like a day, or the price goes down, then it goes up, then it goes down, then it goes up. Like, what are you doing? Next up, SKIL Power Core 12-volt cordless brushless variable speed oscillating tool. It's a 40-piece kit, so you're getting a bunch of accessories to go with it. It just doesn't show you what you're getting with it. Oh, I kind of like that light. I didn't know their light worked like that. That is kind of cool. Normally $70, down to $34.98 for the little oscillating tool. Again, that is a tool only. You're not going to get the battery or charger with that one. Next up, we got the Jigsaw. 12-volt, brushless, variable speed, cordless. This is a tool only as well. Half price, normally $70, down to $35. It's like a toolless change. You got the little orbital guy going. Oh, it's got the halo light as well. I like those lights. Looks pretty compact, too. Doesn't that look like a small little baby guy? $35. Baby Jigsaw. Hey, wasn't that the name of the killer on one of the movies? Jigsaw? SKIL. 12 volt, 600 lumen, LED rechargeable power tool flashlight. This is a tool only as well. Normally $30, down to $19.98. Another one I would probably get, like to get free shipping, I think it's $45 or something at Lowe's. So this might be something you pair with one of the $35 tools so you get your free shipping. Otherwise, you're paying like $6. But you can never go wrong with the LED lights. Throw it on the battery. Looks like it pivots and swivels. 600 lumen, pretty good. Ooh, it's magnetic. Did it say it was magnetic? That looks magnetic. Does it not look magnetic? What else is holding that there? So that's even a little added benefit. And we got the fan. The 4-inch indoor-outdoor. Red personally. Does outdoor mean it's waterproof? Because I don't think it is, but that's weird to say it's an outdoor fan. This is an outdoor, I guess if you're like going on a hike and you need to keep cool, or at a concert, at a festival, going to a fair, you need to keep it cool. Normally $30, down to $19.98. It says it works on 12 or 20 volt batteries, so that's kind of nice. 200 CFM, multi-directional, pivot, swivel, $20. And we got the little collapsible lantern. That is really cool. I like how it's all collapsible because it's nice and compact. And then we just pull it up and boom. I wonder how bright it is. Oh, look at that. That's good marketing. We're also going to use our little screwdriver as well. 300 lumens. Like, I'd like to actually see that under a cabinet, or if the power went out, did that, like, reasonably light up a room so you at least get around without tripping over shit? $14.98, $25 off on that one. Then we got the inflator. Now, this is a 12-volt tool. A lot of these tool-onlys, I feel like if you already got the batteries and charger, you should dive in, because $29 getting a cordless inflator just sounds like a damn good deal to me. Especially it's already going to go with the tools that you got the batteries for. So, like most of them now, it's set it and forget it. Set it and walk away. Get back in the car, because it's freezing outside. You ever have to air up all 4 tires when it's like below zero outside and you're just sitting there looking at that thing inflate? Like, hurry up. My fingers are falling off. $29.98. So there it is, guys. The latest amazing SKIL deals over at Lowe's. They're not listed as a buy of the day, so I have no idea how long these are going to last. This says January 14th, but like on this one, well, of course it won't even load. I had that problem with several pages for some reason. Anyway, they were all in stock. If it goes out of stock online, check your local stores because when I was checking these randomly, bunches of stores around me had them still in stock. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe if you're a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.